Claude AI has just landed inside Microsoft Word, not as a separate app, not as a chatbot you copy and paste from, but right there in the document beside you. You can ask it questions about your doc, rewrite sections, review contracts, and it does it all without wrecking your formatting. Let me show you what it looks like. So here's how it works. You open a Word document and Claude sits in a panel on the right. You can ask it anything about the document and it gives you answers with clickable citations that jump straight to the relevant section. You can highlight a passage and ask it to rewrite it, simplify it, or clean it up. The formatting stays exactly as it was. The really impressive bit is tracked changes. When Claude edits your document, the changes show up in Word's native review pane, just like a colleague's edits would. You can see exactly what was added or removed and accept or reject each one. It even reads open comment threads, edits the text, and replies to the comment explaining what it changed. Here's where it gets even more useful. Claude also works with Excel and PowerPoint. So if you've got a spreadsheet open with your numbers in it, Claude can pull that data straight into your Word document. No more copying and pasting between apps. You can ask it to build a summary table from your Excel data and it just does it inside the doc. Right now, Claude for Word is in beta. It's only available on Team and Enterprise plans, so if you're on a personal plan, you can't access it yet. It's aimed at professionals, especially legal teams reviewing contracts, finance teams writing memos, and anyone who spends their day going back and forth through document edits. Anthropic clearly wants Claude embedded across the workplace. Would you use this in your daily work? Let me know in the comments.